Have you ever wondered why gardening in raised beds is so common? Here in the Southwest, raised beds help us work around compacted, nutrient-poor soils. But even in regions with rich soil, raised bed gardening is still incredibly popular. Why is that? While people around the world have grown crops in mounds, terraces, and elevated beds for thousands of years, the version of raised bed gardening that we see today, the kind that you can buy as a kit online, has its roots in 19th century France. On the outskirts of Paris, market gardeners, known as the maraîchers, began building raised beds and using the city's abundant supply of horse manure. They developed and utilized what is now called the double dig method by mixing deep layers of manure and soil. The result was a rich, fluffy, nutrient-rich soil that they could support growing more food in less space. They began planting crops in hexagonal patterns to maximize yield, and soon this growing style came to be known as the French intensive system. By 1913, the method was published in English and it made its way to the United States. Now, around the same time, Austrian philosopher and mystic Rudolf Steiner, founder of the Waldorf School, introduced this new spiritual approach to farming that he called biodynamics. He saw the farm as this self-sustaining organism and emphasized composting, integrating livestock, planting by the lunar calendar, and using special herbal mineral preparations. His ideas pulled heavily from small-scale village farmers, and they caught on in Europe and influenced the early organic farming movement. Now, one of Steiner's most notable followers was Alan Chadwick, a British horticulturalist and former actor in the 1960s. Chadwick brought a blend of biodynamic and French intensive gardening to UC Santa Cruz. He emphasized beauty, soil health, and hands-on skill, and preferred teaching in the garden over writing books. So we don't have much in the form of writing from him, but one of Chadwick's students, John Jeevons, went on to have a major impact. In the 1970s, he developed the Grow Biointensive method by removing the spiritual elements and focusing on soil fertility, sustainability, and global food security. His system showed that you could grow enough food to live on in just a few hundred square feet, and it's still used around the world today. Now, in the 1980s, engineer Mel Bartholomew, possibly inspired by Jeevons, created the square foot gardening method. By breaking beds into easy 1 foot by 1 foot sections for beginners and using a special soil blend, he helped make raised bed gardening accessible to millions of people. So, if you garden in raised beds, whether using compost, planting close together, or using the square foot layout, you might be using ideas that came from the French market gardeners, biodynamic thinkers, or the biointensive pioneers. Thanks for hanging out and learning about the roots of raised bed gardening. See you guys next time.